It's just the kind of a day that you can't tell. We know that we've got a 1, 2, 3 higher high, but that only works if you come out the bottom of the previous day's range, and that was 95. And I'm not counting on that. But we could start to get some rotations, or even just a soft day, a spin bar type day, where just change the pace a bit. Because we said we're too, obviously ahead of ourselves. So the 30-minute chart we wanted to keep an eye on, and he said keep an eye on the 60. Got a double at the 12, which we think is the mid-support, coming back into this line. So inconclusive, really. Until you break that 10 to 12 zone, nothing good is going to happen for the shorts. So do I like the way this reacted today? Yes. Am I going to jump up and down and expect a plunge? No. I said first things first, we need to slow it down. And I'm prepared to miss a big move south. I think that's how I'll get myself in trouble. So do I like a higher high with divergence? Absolutely. That you can see on the 60 chart. Obviously that's divergence, right? Because these highs here are lower highs while this was a higher high. So Class A divergence. I like that. So go ahead, give me a shot. You got to break this zone of resistance, turn it into support, and it does not hold. It comes back all the way back to here. So that's a good trade for the short. One of the better in a while. Similar to the one yesterday, pre-market. And you saw how well that worked out. So can you hit bounces? Probably. Can you get away with them all day long? Not sure about that. And the best shorts, I believe, are done. Even the middle of today's morning trade. It's certainly more risky because we're going over and under. But do I like the trade? Absolutely. And we said keep an eye here, see if it starts to roll over at all. And in my opinion, probably just trying to keep your mind as neutral as you can will be best. Right? 1575, we said, is the magnet. So several rotations. First of all, these traders trapped. Right? So this is the Z pattern. And we shall see what happens. Reminder, it's lunchtime. So anybody that gets a good trade, here we said make sure you get paid, and we're going to use this high as resistance for now. And if we get that relationship to come in, not thinking plunge, this is the overnight range, just thinking more modestly, absorbing yesterday's push. And then by the end of the day, we want to come back. We want to see these ideas, whether they're playing out or not. So far rejected into that next box. But the day is still young. And this, we got above this nook right here. So we got to break this down now to come backwards, get further back in that box. I would not overtrade. Market is absorbing this huge move, but it's certainly, you can't call it bearish. Momentum is up, but after 91.25 points, 6 days, you can think, all right, just as good odds to short this and just play for scalp short, as is buying the lows. All right. It's lunchtime, don't overtrade.